Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the substitution, I hope displacement reactions. No, in last video we have discussed about the decomposition reaction, and before that we have discussed about the combination reactions. Today we are going to discuss about another most important reaction known as displacement reactions. First of all, dear student, we should know what is displacement. What is the meaning of displacement? Suppose in my hand, left hand, there are two markers. If one marker come and replace the another one marker from these two markers, that means this marker substituted this marker from here. Okay dear student, so here the definition of a reaction in which a more reactive, focus on this word, a more reactive element combined with a compound by displacing one of the less reactive elements from it is called a displacement reaction. Okay dear student, let us see. Suppose we have a reaction A, B, and when react with C, combine with C by displacing C, by displacing B from the AB by C. If C is more reactive than B, then it will displace the B from AB and form a compound AC and displaces B. You can see here, according to this definition, C is more reactive than B. So, it is able to displace B from AB and form compound AC. That means C is more reactive than B. This type reaction is known as displacement reaction. Okay dear student? So, first of all, to know what is the reactivity and how does the reactivity vary of metals. Here some elements written, and this series from top to bottom is a decreasing order of reactivity of these metals. Okay dear student, how? That means the reactivity order decreasing from potassium to platinum. Okay dear student, that means potassium is more reactive than sodium, sodium is more reactive than calcium, calcium is more reactive than magnesium, magnesium is more reactive than aluminium, aluminium is more reactive than zinc, and zinc is more reactive than iron, iron is more reactive than nickel, nickel is more reactive than tin, and tin is more reactive than lead, and lead is more reactive than hydrogen, hydrogen is more reactive than copper, and copper is more reactive than mercury, and mercury is more reactive than silver, silver is more reactive than aurum, known as gold, and gold is more reactive than platinum. The series here written is also known as activity series or reactivity series. Now a question arises, what is reactivity series? When the metals is arranged in a vertical column from top to bottom in the decreasing or increasing order is called reactivity series. We have written here in the decreasing order of reactivity. That means the most reactive metals are situated above top and the least reactive metals situated below the series. Okay dear student, so the reactivity decreases from top to bottom like this. Decreasing order of reactivity, we can say here decreasing order of reactivity. Okay dear student, These are the reactivity decreases. Now, according on the basis of these series, we can solve most of the problem. Okay. Now, suppose we have a solution copper sulfate. We have a solution copper sulfate like CuSO4, and when react with zinc, it form zinc sulfate ZnSO4 and copper is liberated. Okay, if you are doing this reaction, taking the solution in a test tube, the brown precipitate of copper deposited bottom of the test tube and the blue color of the copper sulfate solution disappeared due to the formation of zinc sulfate. Okay, dear student. So it's known copper sulfate, and it's known zinc sulfate. Okay, dear student. So when zinc rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution, zinc is more reactive because zinc is situated above the series and copper situated here. That means zinc is more reactive than copper because in the series copper situated below the zinc. That means the reactivity of copper is lesser than that of zinc. Okay, dear student. So zinc can substitute, can displace the copper from its salt. Okay, dear student. This is the reactivity series and this is the importance of reactivity series. Okay, the color of copper sulfate first blue, and after reacting with zinc, after displacing the copper from copper sulfate solution by zinc, it forms zinc sulfate, and this is the brown precipitate. Sometimes it is a colorless and brown due to the formation deposition of copper on the bottom of test tube. Okay, dear student. So let us see the another example. Now we are going to discuss about the suppose we have copper sulfate, suppose we have zinc sulfate. And when copper is treated, there is no reaction. Why there is no reaction? Because copper is least reactive. That means copper is less reactive than zinc. So it cannot be displaced. Copper cannot be displaced zinc from zinc sulfate solution. This is the important of this series, reactivity series. This is known reactivity series, and we have to learn, we have to get in our mind that how does the reactivity series, what element after what element are situated in the series. Okay, dear student, after that we can solve lots of problem, okay, related to any reaction. Okay, so in the top potassium is situated, in the below after that sodium, after that calcium, after that magnesium, after that zinc or aluminum, after that zinc, iron, nickel, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, aurum known as gold, platinum. Okay, dear student, name of the metal written in this side and symbol written in this side, because you know very well in the reaction we use symbol, not the name of compound. Okay, dear student, so here written is the name of the metals and symbol of the metals written in this side, and reactivity order decreases from top to bottom. Okay, and all the metals one by one decreases like this. Okay, if suppose we have magnesium MgSO4, magnesium sulfate, and after it react with zinc, yes, this reaction will happen or not? This reaction definitely will happen, because zinc, no, this reaction will not be happen. Why not happen? Because zinc situated below the magnesium, so zinc cannot be displaced zinc cannot be displaced magnesium because magnesium is more reactive than zinc. Okay, so this is once again this reaction will not be happen. If the reaction like this, zinc sulfate and react with magnesium, okay, then reaction will form, it will form magnesium sulfate with the elimination of zinc. You can see here magnesium in the reactivity series, magnesium situated above the series, that means above the zinc, that means magnesium will displace zinc from its salt. Okay dear student, you can see here. Okay, this reaction will happen. This is the displacement reaction. Okay dear, so let us see another example, and this reaction you will solve and will write on the comments box. Okay, after solving these reactions, one reaction for you. This reaction is, suppose we have iron somewhere present is iron, I think iron is here present, iron, and we are going to discuss copper sulfate and treated with iron. This reaction you will complete and will write on the comments box. Okay dear student, so it is for you, clear? And with the help of this reactivity series you can solve easily this question. Okay, so in next video we will discuss about the another type of reaction. Okay, thank you, all the best.